I'm elite. That's retro. He's gonna hop off a bird, and we are the chill zone. So yeah, David's being gay. He can hop over a big ass curb, but he can't hop over a fucking bird. That's crazy, man. That's real crazy. Let's go. Phase 2, second try.
Right now, we got heel flip.
All right, go ahead. He's gonna heel flip the bird. That's the boy retro right there. Yeah.
Ollie.
Now what, bird?
Hey, you do an Indy this time.
Indy,
Grab it in the air.
Go ahead. Get that. Whoop. Whoop. Whoop.
Pop 7, very fast.
Now he's gonna either pop 7 over the bird. About that. Okay. Good. Chill though. So close.
Well, that concludes retro. Time for Eric.
I'll put that. You're very tired.
I'm Ollie. Nothing but Ollie.
Eric is the schnitzel, okay? With the ollie. Nothing else with the ollie, okay? He's still in work in progress. Ooh. Almost, baby. Almost. Just like my board, almost. Let's go. Bye, birdie. Oh my God, that was good, baby. Yes. Look at this criminal. He's a criminal, smooth criminal. Chills on style, bro. Let's do it, Eric. Show me what you're about. Pop. Birdie, you are so lucky. Okay.
One try. Last try.
After this, we gonna freestyle.
You know what? Fuck that bird.
You hit the birdie! Fuck it. You hit the birdie, no, don't do it. You know what, birdie? I'm gonna save your life. I'm gonna do a nice little, hey, you dig, okay? Say hello to my little friend. How's him to say to the camera? Before you guys call me weak as hell, I know you're gonna say that. I make a cam, I know you're gonna say that. So, yeah. My skateboard is wet and my wood is damaged, so don't judge me for being weak as fuck. Retro wasn't out here earlier, so this board is not that damaged. Let's go.
I'm going to ollie over your skateboard and the bird.
Ah, that's a chill shit right there.
And then I'm in heel flip.
You can't do that. That's ollie, bro. That's ollie. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. All right. Chill zone. That's what we do in chill zone. We take risks. Do it. Stupid. You're a stupid nigga. Okay. Where's my granddaughter? Now we're gonna get on with this.